Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the templates on disk. This is faster than hunting inside menus. Open Logic and quit to the desktop, then open Finder. Once Finder is frontmost, choose Go to Folder and paste /music/audio music apps/project templates. You'll see bundles and folders. Make sure to copy anything you might reuse to a backup folder. Once done, select the template files you no longer need, so you can remove them cleanly in the next step. Now you delete the templates themselves. In that project templates folder, click a template bundle or folder to select it. Use Shift or CMD for multiple items. Press CMD plus delete or drag to the trash to remove them. This ensures Logic no longer shows them in the template chooser. Make sure Logic is closed while doing this, because open apps can cache entries. Once done, leave the items in trash until you confirm the templates are gone from Logic's new project list. Finish by restarting Logic to refresh the template browser. Open Logic and choose File New to confirm the template is gone. If you still see it, quit Logic, empty the app caches by deleting /library/caches/com. Apple, Logic 10 and relaunch. Make sure to back up that cache first. If a template vanished by mistake, copy it back from your backup into the project templates folder and restart Logic. One key troubleshooting tip: always back up before deleting to a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.